Smoking, honey. You're smoking hot. Yeah, you're smoking. Guys, 43 miles to the cave. Yan guys, andun na sila. Ito yung ating paligid. Ayan guys. Bilisan natin kasi doon na sila nagbablog-vlog pa ako dito. Napapagod na ako, pababa pa lang yung lakad namin. Paano na lang mamaya pag paakyat na. Honey, that's not the one. Listen to me because I know.
I know you think it ain't, but I'm telling you.
Nope, it's not that one. That's too small, honey. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah, a real dog.
Really? When you get to a turn, kind of go to the right some. Otherwise, you have to go down like pretty slick rock and roots and stuff. So we don't know what his name is, but he's friendly.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Have fun.
It's
Hi, buddy.
ayan, may natagpuan kaming dog, guys. Sumama na sa amin. Yun yung sa nakasalubong namin kanina na aso. Sumama na. Yeah, we are here. This is where we sit last time. The bench here.
Yeah,
See, I told you.
say I'm right.
Big.
So where's Mama? Climbing!
We'll be down a minute.
That's the big rock down there. Ah!
Are you in the cave?
Look, my.
Are you in the cave?
Look, I don't wanna look down. See? It's over there. I don't wanna look down. Look.
Okay.
Ah!
We're coming.
Wait. Wait, Paul. You right there.
Yeah, we want the hard way. We don't want the easy way.
See, there's the cave. Daisy, who went with us last time?
Me.
You went inside with her?
Yeah.
Sophie.
Yeah.
Remember we went there last time? No. And it was cold.
Watch out, rocks are wet.
Lena, leave the dog alone.
No, but leave the dog alone so you got time to work on it.
Where'd you get that?
From your phone.
Conan got my $10.
Give me that. You see that? We're looking for that.
We're looking this morning under the...
Not here. I don't have it.
All right, that's fine. I'll put it.
Okay.
Where did she find it?
She didn't find it. She took it.
She didn't take the $3. She took the $10.
So, yeah, she took the 10, not the $1. That's funny. I'll figure something like that.
Ayan na guys. So Lena's having... Ayan.
I'm coming.
Here's the cave.
There's too much fireworks. I'm getting scared.
Down there. Oh my, it's scary. It looks like it's slippery.
Where's Mom?
Yan guys. Yan. Gidogi. Ayan guys, punta na tayo sa loob ng cave. Wait lang, hindi yata nakaunang aking GoPro. So ayan, nakauna ang ating GoPro guys. Medyo pababain natin. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Devil's Den. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung mga butas guys. Ayan, ito yung pasukan natin. Yan, dito tayo papasok. Hindi ko na dinala ang aking stabilizer kasi mabigat. Ayun. Ayan, nandito po ako sa...
Yeah, that do you remember Roscoe?
Probably. Hi. I've seen pictures. Benelina. So I can go here?
What are you going away?
I want to go so bad. At the same time, I see Spanish. Okay.
Do you want to go up there?
Whatever, y'all. Dad.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up that way. Hey, you come this way. You're little.
Dad, are you sure that's conquer?
Whoa, then
If it's slick, I don't think I can get up through there because my shoes are slick.
it's well, mine are like really slick. Even if
Dad, give me a stick. Mama, give me a stick.
It's not here, it's behind us.
For this, I might be backing up. Look, I think someone needs to help me up here.
I can help Colin get up here. Oh, maybe.
Wow. So dark inside here if we don't have flashlight.
Can you imagine the force it would take to move these rocks?
That's outside. There are big rocks. Honey, can you have a flashlight in there? Ah, we cannot really see. The rocks up there. See? Here. Okay, down here. Okay, come on,
Back
let's
over
go.
there. You wanna look over there or no?
No, I'm scared.
Alright.
Let's go out. Yeah,
It would take all of us to carry you.
really.
Well, yeah.
So, that's where we need to crawl to get inside the cave. Ayan, dito tayo. Kasi doon sa labas. Yan, ito yon papunta dito sa kuweba. Kailangan mo gumapang. Come on, honey, let's go. I'm going out. I'm crawling now. Maliwanag na dito sa labas. Look at him. He's crawling.
You take the pathway. Slide down.
You're smoking, honey. You're smoking hot. Yeah, you're smoking, really.
If I got temperature on.
Why are you smoking?
Told you, sick.
Look, yeah, it's really came from you. Now it's there.
how big the rocks are.
Ayan guys, alis na kami kasi nandoon na yung mga bata lahat sa taas. Balik na kami doon. Ayan guys, so tingnan nyo. Chink. Grabe, nandito kami sa gitna ng malalaking bato. Ang lamig dito guys sa loob, pero syempre dahil gumagamit kami ng lakas. Ayan, pinagpawisan kami. Pero ano siya, yung lamig niya parang nang-aano siya guys. Ayan, iniwan ko na yung aking mga tripod at stabilizer sa taas. Ayan no. Oh my God. See? Grabe ang bato-bato. Come on, let's go honey.